Jimmy rolling his smoke. Jimmy chased all these caribou to us. It was 13 of them. Knocked down 4 anyways.
17.
17 caribou?
13 left.
13 left. Good hunt anyways. So the last day we're gonna be here too, just running out of gas. Finally got our beat. Lots of fucking flies, but get to the snow right away. Cool them off. We skin them up and head home. See what we're gonna do first. See how we feel after we get these packed all the way down. And me. That will go all the way down to that snow over there.
Fucking flies.